equivalent fractions, you need to have your times tables. If, for example, your timetables aren't as secure as you want them, leave a little column over here that you can do some extra working out. It's absolutely fine. So let's look at equivalent fractions. If I have 2/5 and I'm looking at 15ths, we look at the relationship between these two numbers. So how does a 5 become a 15, or is there a common number between the two of them that we can find to work this out? So a 5 becomes a 15 by being multiplied by 3. Whatever I do to the denominator, I do to the numerator. 2 times 3 is 6, and that's my equivalent fraction. But what happens if we have something like 1/100th equals, say, for example, here, and we don't know our 100 times tables? Look at the relationship between the numbers. How do I make 100 into a 200? Well, I times it by 2. Whatever I do to the denominator, I do to the numerator. That becomes a 2. Now, what about something like 12 over, let's think, 12 over 48. Okay, if we're not sure, I might need to do my 12 times table. So 12 times 1 equals 12. 12 times 2 equals 24. 12 times 3 equals 36. I hope you're doing this with me. And then 12 times 4 equals 48. Aha, we can stop here. So if I said, for example, I need to change this one into a 12th, how would I change 48 into a 12th? Well, I would need to divide this time, and I would need to divide by 4. 48 divided by 4 equals 12. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. 12 divided by 4 is 3. But just to double check, I could say 1 times 4 equals 4, 2 times 4 equals 8, and 3 times 4 equals 12. So let's just check. We've got a 12 here, we've got a 4 here, and the only number left in this expression is a 3. So here we are. Okay. Hello, my name is Mrs. K, and I'm an experienced primary school teacher, or elementary school teacher as it's known in the US. I have many years experience, and I started teaching in the UK, in London, in the inner city, where I moved on to private schools from state schools and international schools in North Africa and the Middle East for, again, many years before moving with my family to the US. Since having my son, I've been doing lots more private tuition, even though I'm licensed to teach here in the US. And I've really thoroughly enjoyed that private tuition experience. I'm able to give children that one-to-one attention or small group attention that they may need to extend, consolidate, or break down problems. So please get in touch if you'd like to book a lesson, and you can book me through OutSchool, or you can book me through my website. Thank you. Bye-bye.